sorry.
Oh, sorry.
That's your old rear sets. I've used every single
And
one
that
of
worked?
them. Yes. Yeah, plus I had to add some different stuff because that stuff is good for fairing, stuff like this, but you also have something to bolt everything together to metal, yeah, which you need basically as shoulder bolts, but KTM bolts are just perfect, yeah, exactly the same pretty much what you need for any of them. So for the future, if you need anything like that, just ask us and we can supply something like that, so if you lose anything.
Okay.
Now, you've got, right, you know what, right, those, I didn't put this on because I'm not sure if you want this.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do that. Okay. You had to take that off to get it on.
Yeah. Those two bolts, they hold the switch. They have to be longer and you've got two spacers as well.
Okay.
Let's go outside. So I'll show you. These are blanking plates for your mirrors. Unfortunately, I don't have bolts for them because they are like 3mm bolts.
Okay.
And absolutely, I couldn't find anything what can fit. So, if you manage to find something, thread should be like that, tiny. And I couldn't find.
Do they need to be longer?
Yes, probably a tiny tad because that goes in like that, and those plastics go underneath. So I said, I just put those two plastic bolts just to secure everything together right now. But as I said, you've got to find something because, as I said, I asked them, they don't have anything. I don't have anything in my pile of shite.
What?
I don't know, where is it? It was in the box. This should be like a block plastic with a bit of rubber on it. Yeah. So check if you got this somewhere at your house. No.
Otherwise, I'll just buy a new one.
Yeah, right. That goes for seat. Seat is bolted there, but this basically goes more or less in this position inside, in between frames. Those spacers all together, and that's where you bolt your seat. The fairing is bolted up there.
Okay.
Yep.
So wait, that's for the old one?
Okay.
So what's this?
This is brace for your seat. When you take this off, when you take that seat off, because right now seat is bolted to that plastic, which is not part of the race kit.
I'm not putting the race kit back on because it's broken.
Right, but just in case, if you want that's.
Is this part of the bike?
No, it's not. That's additional part for your race kit.
I see. Yeah. I'm not going to use it because this was more sturdy. Where the race kit was just flimsy.
Yes, yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah. So yeah,
Right. But you gonna put all the rest of the race kit on?
I'm leaving the tail and then I'm putting the front back on.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So those two little brackets, they go in there. When you remove the fairings, there is kind of like a pin sticking from the frame.
Okay.
Pull this down, remove the pin, and bolt that with your pin.
Okay.
So basically, this acts as a support for your fairing because you've got additional bolting point on your fairing in this position. With standard one, that goes straight in onto the pin and holds nicely. But with your race fairing, you need that bracket pretty much. Everything else is there. F point for your tail light. Now, are you gonna use this tail light or are you gonna use your?
I don't know. I don't know.
Because right now this tail light is working.
With the brakes?
With brakes, yeah. Brake light switch is
How about the headlights? Are they working?
Yes, yeah. Everything's working.
Okay.
Yeah, everything's connected. So it's pretty much you can go
ride it.
Yeah.
Well, if I get there, yeah.
Right. So that's the stuff.
Well, I might even get a tail tidy just for the States.
Yeah, as well.
Yeah.
Those little extensions, they go here.
Oh yeah. I need those for the plate. Yep.
Yeah. So it's kind of shifted up further, and you've got nuts on them and caps as well.
Okay.
So for the future, if you want to put this on with race kit, that's your F point, which you bolt to the subframe, and everything else is pretty much up there.
Okay.
With the switch there.
Is it possible to later on when you're busy to have it, because I'm going to be gone for a week, to have this inside? To put this inside?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
I don't know why did it come.
No rush.
No, so I'll shove it up there.
Okay.
And it'll be fine.
I appreciate it. And then I'll take all these today.
Sure.
Yeah.
No worries.
Perfect.